Beautiful, intuitive, and even better than before. This is what you have all been waiting for. Power in the palm of your hands. As the former VP of Design at Apple, I'm here to present you with something that will blow your mind. Samsung has developed a phone so f***ing big, it's gonna make your iPhone 5 look like a piece of shit. Yeah, I said it. I'm here to present to you with the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. 5.7-inch screen, you say? F*** that. 42-inch screen? All up in your face. Not only has the screen gotten longer, it's gotten wider. Phones are supposed to get smaller and thinner, right? Not with us. We want that shit to be a burden. If you wear skinny jeans, don't buy phones. You barely got enough room for your own dick. With the Samsung Galaxy Note 3, we have improved the stylus to text capability. Remember when keyboards came out so we could type out our thoughts a lot faster than we could write? Well, here at Samsung, we believe in going backwards. F*** a keyboard, we want you to write that shit out. Here's the thing, a lot of iPhone users want to talk about Siri. Hey, we got S-Voice. Watch this. S-Voice, what is the circumference of the Earth?
I don't speak Korean.
I'm speaking English, I don't. S-Voice, please find the closest rest stop, please.
You sound like a black man.
Find the closest gas station.
You are fat.
The fuck? Sharing is now easier than ever. Because literally, you could share the screen. We have deemed this phone the iPhone killer, specifically because of its branded uses. Listen, I'm not talking about swipe or multifunction ability. I'm talking about real-world usage. This phone with its 42-inch AMOLED screen can easily be used as a sword and shield with its stylus. In fact, the stylus is a lightsaber. Ed, can you come here for a second, please? Okay, Ed, I want you to take this bottle and bounce it on top of your head.
Why?
I'm gonna slice the bottle on top of your head with the stylus.
I'm not an intern anymore. I don't want to lose this job.
Just do it, Ed!
No, you can't talk to me like that!
All right, here we go. 1, 2. I know, you're alarmed by the size, but sooner or later you're going to realize it'll become an extension of your body. Having the phone in the size of your palm isn't good. You want it to be the size of your torso. Can your iPhone act as a passenger for your carpool lane? When you're sitting among your friends and you're on your phone, it's annoying. But with the Samsung Galaxy Note 3, everybody can see what you're doing. Hide your password? It's impossible. The screen is so huge, everybody's gonna see your shit. You know what you need? You need that fingerprint technology. Just, right, nobody thought of that yet. Here we go. Hello? Yeah. Hold on a second. Yeah, it's probably easier if I just text you. Samsung, bigger is always better. Korea never lose.
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your high love and emotion. Endlessly.
Listen, I know what you're thinking. You're alarmed by the size, but that's what a lot of people say when they see a black person's penis. Have you seen the camera on the Samsung Galaxy Note 3? It has an 8200 megapixel camera. What was that? 8.2 mega. Shut the fuck up. You know, a lot of celebrities come to us to endorse them with the Samsung Galaxy Note 3, but here at Samsung, we just don't give it to everybody. One celebrity that we had to turn away was The Weeknd, that ugly motherfucker. Let me tell you something, I will give you a phone when you fix your goddamn hair. Have you seen that shit? Bitch, your hair looked like it got in a fight with the forest fire and lost. This is what you need to do. You need to get a hot comb, some Blue Magic, and some holy water, and fix that shit.
What's up,